Anyway, guys, I'm back with a brand new video. I know that this is a late night video, a lot later than my usual videos, but this is another Forza Horizon 5, and this is a ramp jump video. This is going to be the same car that I used in the last free roam video I did, which was the BMW Z4. I'll show you guys it next clip, obviously, for those that not remember it from the last free roam video, or if you guys did not see the last free roam video, you guys are about to see it. This has been a fun car to drive lately in the game. I don't know why, but I just like it. Anyway, that is it. That is what it looks like, and if you guys are ready, I think I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Did not even make it to the bottom of the hill. Oopsie. But anyway, that was definitely a fun jump to do. Anyway, I know that was definitely not the best jump result that I have ever had in the game, but definitely not my worst either. And I was not expecting it to be anything crazy like making it to the river or making it across the river. One day my goal is still to make it across the river before Forza Horizon 6 comes out. Still got a few months till it comes out. Like I said, sometime during the middle of May is what I saw as the release date. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong about that. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this ramp jump video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss lit everyday Andrew videos. The weather is finally starting to get a little bit nicer, which I'm happy about. That means more fire buffing opportunities for me, even though it is supposed to be a little bit chilly cold next week. It is making progress in the weather for warming up, and this week was definitely a really nice week for weather, so I'm happy about that. Got my first 33 buff of the semester. But anyway, everyday Andrew out. Peace.